Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Welcome to Ashokanand Vlogs. Hope you have seen my idli video and hope you have liked it. If you have made the idli, you must have some idli batter left over. What do you do with that? You again make idlis. Better you take the idli batter and then make a onion uttapam. Follow along the recipe. It's just 3 minutes long. You have to try it to believe it. It's so tasty and so simple. First of all, comment below if you like the recipe. It's a very simple recipe. You just need some coriander leaves like this, chop them, and then chop one green chili like this. And then you also take one small to medium sized onion and then finely chop like this. Chop the onion first vertically, then horizontally, so you will have finely chopped onion. This is the idli batter that I'm talking about. Now you take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and then you put the batter like this, 2 cups, and then it should be thick, it should not be very thin. Let it cook on the oil, don't touch it, let it cook for at least 7 to 8 minutes. Now we sprinkle some of the chopped onions that we just prepared. Just spread them over the uttapam. Spread it around so that it covers everywhere. Now you put the chopped green chilies on top. Arrange them around. Depending upon how much spicy you want, you can add them. Now I am also spreading the leaves. These are the chopped coriander leaves that we prepared in the start. Now we will add a pinch of salt on the top around the uttapam, and now we will cover and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. We will keep checking it. If it is brown, golden brown at the sides, that means it's cooked. It should look like this. Now we can use a spatula and then try to turn it. Take care to turn it quickly because if you don't, it might break. After another 7 minutes, it will cook well, and then you can remove it onto a plate. Your onion uttapam is ready. You can use some chana dal powder and a pinch of chili powder to garnish. It will look really well, colorful, and taste really well. You also garnish with some chopped coriander leaves on top. Isn't this so simple? Can't get any simpler than this. Have this with some groundnut chutney or sambar or coconut chutney, whatever your preference. Onion uttapam. Very nice. It's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside.